and good morning from Australia with the Juice Mobile. We came to this place yesterday night thinking that it was free, but we had to pay $20 each. The man waked us up in the morning, he's like, "Where's your bill?" But yeah, that's life. Okay, let me show you our breakfast routine in the Juice Mobile. So here is our breakfast station. We got a fridge full of good stuff. My breakfast is ham, pepperoni, spinach, cheese, pesto, and spinach cream. Good breakfast. Let's check out the surf here in Byron Bay. If it's not good, I think we're gonna go cliff jumping. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Not good surf today, so I think we're gonna try to go cliff jumping. Okay, so there's a lot of cliff jumps here in Byron Bay, but they have unfortunately all closed them down because so many people have hurt themselves. So they've become private owned, so you have to actually trespass to get to them. But we talked to a local, and he said that we could maybe try this one. So
we can make it.
He warned us that a person broke his back there, so we'll just check how high it is and see if we can jump. I found some llamas! Llama power! Okay, the Juice Mobile is parked. Now we have to go inside the forest to find this hidden waterfall, this dangerous waterfall that people's been warning about. But what do? Always before you go to the cliff jump, you of course take a sip of white wine. Warm white wine. That is rule number 1 here. Okay, now we are ready to go. Let's find this waterfall in there. Ow! Okay, according to my calculations, in there. Let's go. Yeah, we don't really know where the waterfall is. It's not a tourist place, it's a hidden waterfall. That's good. Huh? Warning, multiple fatalities and injuries have occurred at this site. This site is unsafe. Entry to this site is prohibited due to high risk. It ain't safe. That means that way. I think we made it over there. Nice. We found it.
Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me. What's this night away with me? You're mine. I can't look away. I just gotta say.
That was close! Two almost jumped on him. Oh god, hit that replay, dude. Woo! Waves! And it is time to say goodbye to this amazing place. We have to go, but this is cliff jumping paradise. I mean, you have every level. Thanks for the locals that found this for us, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, place. Goodbye. We found kangaroos. Wild kangaroo. Hello, kangaroo. Quick update. We have now driven from Byron Bay down to Yamba. We are in Yamba now in a random parking lot beside the beach. The beach is right there. we are gonna set up some tables, some grills, and some burgers. We're gonna have a barbecue burger night right now. So they are setting up the station. I don't think we're gonna sleep here because it's not allowed. So we have to find another place. But yeah, welcome to the Juicy Burgers restaurant, Camp Edition. Okay, so this is the setup today. We got a gas stove here, and Jakey Boy in his right element. He is the burger master. Flashback. Ooh, look at that! Look, check him out, bros. Huh? We got Jake up there in his natural habitat, eating them, making them burgers. And this is what a budget burger, camper burger looks like. We got normal bread because we on that budget life. Burger, cheese, guacamole, and rucola. What's that called? Rucola budget burger. Let's go. Hope it's good. Test it out. Damn it! They turned the lights on us. So now it is time to pack up and time for the worst part of the day, finding a place to live in that van. It's hell because like every street, every corner has a sign, no camping, and it's pretty strict here. You get a fine. So it's the worst part of the day. Woo!
Jag tror du svingar eller?
Stop fucking. Okay, so the strategy is to go as far away as the beaches because the beaches are the most obvious. So we are heading up towards inlands. That's the best place, that's the best spot you can get. It's more like in the forest and beside lakes and stuff. So we're gonna find a nice sleeping spot there. Let's go. Then you go on roads like this to find a private spot. It's a wild kangaroo. Awesome, man. And we found a spot in the middle of nowhere. We haven't seen a car in like 20 minutes. There's nobody here. Can't see it now, but there's a forest there. And the sky is filled with stars. I mean, it's crazy. You can't see it in the camera, so let me just edit some. Boom. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Especially that one with the smiley face. Okay, but we are going to go to bed, so I'm going to end the vlog here. If you enjoyed that and want to see more, then hit the subscribe button because we'll be posting several times a week when we're down here. And yeah, follow the adventure. See you in the next video. Goodbye.